Welcome to student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology Bhinder East. Our subject Applied Mathematics, name of faculty myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Our chapter name is Definite Integral, chapter number 5. We have to use the property example of the definite integral. Let us start from this example. 0 to 4 cube root of x plus 5 upon cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x is there. We know that if lower limit is 0, upper limit is a, f of x dx is equal to lower limit 0, upper limit a, f in bracket a minus x dx. So instead of x, we have to put a minus x. That's why it is cube root of 4 minus x plus 5, cube root of 4 minus x plus 5, cube root of 9 minus in bracket 4 minus x. So we have to put this way. So we have to simplify now. 4 plus 5, 9 minus x remain as the same in numerator in cube root form. Cube root of 4 plus 5, 9 minus x, cube root of 9 minus 4, that is 5, so x plus 5. Now adding equation 1 and 2, we have 2i is equal to lower limit 0, upper limit 4, cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of x plus 5 upon cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of x plus 5. Common term get cancelled. So we derive 2i is equal to lower limit 0, upper limit 4, 1 dx. What is the integration of 1? X. Lower limit 0, upper limit 4, 2i is equal to 4 minus 0, I is equal to 2. Now, same trick we have to follow. Here lower limit is 0, upper limit is 5. Cube root, there is cube root? No, it is square root. 5 minus x upon root of x plus 5 minus x. We have to use the property 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f in bracket a minus x. So instead of x, we have to put which 5 minus x. So here root of 5 minus x upon root x plus root 5 minus x. So under root 5 minus x upon root 5 minus x plus under root 5 minus x. Common term get cancelled, 5 get cancelled. Numerator we have root x. In denominator we have root 5 minus x and plus root x. Adding equation 1 and 2, I plus I 0 to 5 under root 5 minus x upon root x plus under root 5 minus x dx 0 to 5 root x upon under root 5 minus x plus root x dx. Denominator is same, so numerator is add and limits are same. That's why 2i is equal to 0 to 5 under root 5 minus x plus root x upon root x under root 5 minus x dx. Common term get cancelled. 2i is equal to 1 dx 0 to 5. What is the integration of 1? It is exactly x. Lower limit 0, upper limit 5. 5 minus 0, so 2i is equal to 5 upon 2. Now, here what is given? Let us check. Lower limit is 5, upper limit 10, dx is there. So, x minus 1, x minus 2 are the factors are given. If factors are given, we use the partial fraction method to solve this integral. So, let us consider 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2 are the factors which are non-repeated. We know that a upon x minus 1 plus b upon x minus 2 equation number 1. To derive equation number 2, numerator remains same, cross multiplication is there and common term get cancelled. So a x minus 2 plus b x minus 1. We have to put x is equal to 1, we derive a here what? 1 minus 2 is minus 1, so a is equal to 1 upon minus 1 is minus 1. Put x is equal to 2, we derive b. 2 minus 1 is 1, b is equal to 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. So we derive a and b values. We have to put in this integral 1 upon x minus 1, x minus 2, minus 1 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 2. So now we have to use the integration of 1 upon a plus x is log a plus x. So that's why minus 1 remain as the same. Integration of 1 upon x minus 1 is log x minus 1. Integration of 1 upon x minus 2 is log x minus 2. Now we have to put instead of x upper limit 10 lower limit 5. So first we have to put the 10. How it is possible? Let us check. Minus log 10 minus 1 plus log 10 minus 2 bracket complete, minus in bracket minus log 5 minus 1 plus log 5 minus 2. 10 minus 1 9, 10 minus 2 8, minus log 4 plus log 3. What is the value of? We have to know that log m minus log n is log m upon n. So we have to apply the log property. So therefore log 8 upon 9, log 3 upon 4 and middle minus remain as the same. So again minus become plus. So we have the property log m plus log n is log m into n. That's why log 8 upon 9 into 4 upon 3. Simplification is possible. Log 32 upon 27 is the final answer. Now we have to take integration 3 to 7, 10 minus x bracket square, x square plus 10 minus x whole bracket square dx. So we have the format. What is I is equal to lower limit 3, upper limit is 7, 10 minus x whole bracket square, x square 10 minus x. Instead of 10, we have to put 10 minus of 10. Because 7 plus 3 is 10, so we have to put 10 minus x. So 10 minus x bracket square, 10 minus x whole bracket square. So simplification is start. I is equal to 3 to 7 x square, 10 minus x whole bracket square plus x square. These and this equation denominator is same, so we adding 1 and 2. We derive numerator and denominator same. How? 2i is equal to lower limit 3, upper limit 7, 10 minus x whole bracket square plus x square, 10 minus x whole bracket square plus x square, common term get cancel. 2i is equal to 3 to 7, 1 dx. 1 is equal to x, so 1 is equal to x? No, integration of 1 is x. That's why 2i is equal to x, 7 and 3. So 7 minus 3, we derive 4. So 2 upon 4 upon 2, it is 2. So final answer of integrations 3 to 7, 10 minus x whole bracket square, x square 10 minus x whole bracket square is 2. Now here we use with this property. Let us check. A to b f of x is equal to a to b f in bracket a plus b minus x. Let us check. Take the example. Lower limit 1, upper limit 5. Root 9 minus x is there, under root 9 minus x plus under root x plus 3 is there. So instead of now 9, we have to put upper and lower limit? No. Instead of x, we have to put what? Lower limit and upper limit a to b. F of x is equal to lower limit a up to upper limit b, f in bracket a plus b minus x. So instead of 5 and 1, we have to put 5 plus 1 is what? Yes, 6. So under root 9 in bracket 1 plus 5 minus x upon under root 9 minus 1 plus 5 minus x plus under root 1 plus 5 minus x plus 3. So 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 6 is 3, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 3 9. Simplification start here. I is equal to lower limit 1, upper limit 5, under root x plus 3 upon x plus 3 plus under root 9 minus x. So 1 and 2 equation have the same denominator. That's why adding equation 1 and 2, I plus I is equal to lower limit 1, upper limit 5, under root 9 minus x upon under root 9 minus x plus 3 dx. Lower limit 1, upper limit 5, under root x plus 3 upon x plus 3 plus 9 minus x. Now denominator is same, numerator should add. 2i is equal to lower limit is 1, upper limit 5, under root 9 minus x plus under root x plus 3 upon under root 9 minus x plus root x plus 3. Common term get cancelled, we derive 1. 2i is equal to 1 to 5, 1 dx. What is the integration of 1? Yes, it is exactly x. 2i is equal to 5 minus 1. So what is the 5 minus 1? 4. I is equal to 4 upon 2. It is 2. Yes, we derive the integration answer is integration 1 to 5 under root 9 minus x upon under root 9 minus x plus under root x plus 3 dx is 2. Now cube root is there. 1 to 3 cube root of x plus 5 cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x dx. I is equal to lower limit 1 upper limit 3 cube root of x plus 5 cube root of x plus 5 cube root of 9 minus x dx. Instead of x we have to put 1 plus 3. So cube root of 1 plus 3 minus x plus 5 cube root of 1 plus 3 minus x plus 5 cube root of 9 1 plus 3 minus x is there. So simplification is going on. I is equal to integration 1 to 3 cube root of 9 minus x upon cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of x plus 5. Equation 1 and 2 have same denominator. We add numerator also. I plus I is equal to 1 to 3 integration cube root of x plus 5 cube root of x plus 5 cube root of 9 minus x dx plus integration 1 to 3 cube root of 9 minus x cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of x plus 5. Now denominator is same, numerator will be add. So 2i is equal to integration 1 to 3 cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x upon cube root of 9 minus x plus cube root of x plus 5. Common term get cancelled. Integration of 1x upper limit 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So therefore integration 1 to 3 cube root of x plus 5 cube root of x plus 5 plus cube root of 9 minus x is 1. So same example we have to follow here. So instead of going to these above examples, we have to must focus on these property. Integrals of even and odd function, assume that f is even function, that is that f in bracket minus x is equal to f of x, then minus a to a f of x dx is 2 0 to a f of x dx. And if is f of is odd function, then f of minus x is minus f of x, then lower limit minus a upper limit a f of x dx is 0. Let us check by example. Let even function, then 2 is there. If odd function is 0 is there. Let us check example. X cube. What is the x cube is there? So x cube is odd. We have to put instead of x minus x. F of minus x is minus x cube. Minus take outside, so x cube. So f of minus x is minus x. That's why the function is odd. So we have to take the example based on this. If function is odd, we have to use this property. So integral sine square x cos square minus pi by 2 and pi by 2 is there. So lower and upper limit are same, but it is negative and positive is there. We have to use this property. F of x dx is equal to 2 0 to a f of x dx when function is even and 0 if function is odd. Let us check sine square cos x is even or odd. We have to put instead of x minus x is there. So sine minus x bracket square is sine x, cos of minus x is cos x. That's why the given function is even. So that's why minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine square x cos x dx is equal to 2 0 to pi by 2 sine square x cos x dx is there. So we have the sine cube of x where it is derived. We have to instead of x we have to put the t is there. So sin x derivative is cos x. So that's why we have sine cube of x upon 3 pi by 2 is the answer 0 in substitution. 2 upon 3 remain as the same. Sine cube of pi by 2 minus sine cube of 0 is there. Sine of 0 is 0. Sine cube of pi by 2, it is obviously pi by 2 is 1. So 1 is there. 2 by 3, 1. So final answer is 2 by 3. So we have to use which theorem? Yes, f of x raised to n f dash of x dx is f of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 c. This property we have to use to solve the example. Now, even and odd is clear. So we have to take the example based on the properties of definite integral. A to b f of x is equal to a to b f in bracket a plus b minus x. So instead of a and b we have to put 5 plus 2. So 2 plus 5 minus x root 7 minus 2 plus 5 minus x plus 2 plus 5 minus x. Simplification is going on. 1 and 2 are same. Adding 1 and 2 we derive integration 2 to 5 root x minus upon root 7 minus x plus root x. So simplification is going on. 2i is equal to 2 to 5 1 dx. What is the integration of 1? x. 2 to 5. So 5 minus 2 is there is 3. So I is equal to 3 by 2 is the final answer of 2 to 5 root x upon root 7 minus x plus root x dx is there. So in this way we have to use this property and derive the final answer.